This assignment is continued practice on division with remainders. So you're going to want to make a copy of the document. And remember right away you want to make sure and share it with me. And you're just going to type in my name, start typing in my name, and you'll see the one that you're going to send it to is christine.sowden@stpaul.k12.mn.us. It's the long one. Okay? And so you're going to use Jamboard. It says 15 divided by 4. So there are 15 stars here. And we're going to divide them into groups of 4 stars because we're dividing by 4. So I'm going to go ahead and start by making a line after 4. There's a line, and there's a line, and there's a line. And now I can't make 4 more. So I have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, and 3 left over. So 15 divided by 4 equals, and I'm just going to use a post-it note. You can either use a post-it note or I don't think you can add a text box. So post-it note. So you're going to do 15. And remember how I showed you how to do the division symbol yesterday. You have to go into your emojis and you have to go all the way down to almost to the end where the flags and stuff are. 15 divided by 4 equals 3 with a remainder, and you can just put remainder 2. And you can put that right here. Okay? So what I want you to do is what you're going to do is you're going to look at the problem. You're going to circle groups of 4 stars on this one, and then you're going to write down how many groups and how many leftovers or the remainder. And so I put it on a post-it note. This is the way I want you to do it. Next one, same thing, 20 divided by 3. There are 20 stars here. You're going to be circling or making groups of 3 stars. So you can start out by that, and like that, and so on until you get to the end. Make sure that you put your answer on a sticky note. You'll rewrite the question, 20 divided by 3, and you will write equals how many groups with how many leftovers or remainders. Make sure that you share it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 problems. So make sure that you do all 4 of them.